Yo, haha, Miltnificent.
What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another quick video. And listen, I wanted to follow up with this whole Adidas 3D print, at least the ClimaCool 360 airflow polyurethane shoe. Now, I went to multiple events yesterday, had a good time in doing this, but the problem was some people ask me about like the maintenance. When it comes to something like this, is it hard to maintain based off the colorway? Because this is kind of like an off-white type of situation, right? So I get it. It can easily dirty fast, but it's also easy to clean. So like most of your like foam shoes and stuff like that that come out, polyurethane in this color can actually be clean. So perfect example. I'm at an event and I had a mixed drink, but it had cranberry in it. And an accident happened, and of course, timely, perfect timing, spills right into the grooves of the actual 3D print. Now, most people would sit there and panic, freak out, like, oh my God, this is cranberry. Cranberry is going to stain over time. And actually, I ended up wearing it maybe, I want to say for about 20 minutes to purposely allow the cranberry to kind of settle in and kind of dry up just to see what would happen. And it definitely stained up, right? But again, this is polyurethane. So things like, if you think of things to clean this with, even if you have like I'm not putting rejuvenate, but they have like a hard brush, they have a soft brush, and this is the rejuvenate series, not the rejuvenate, rejuvenator. I don't know why I said rejuvenate. Rejuvenator series, right? Where you have the soft, medium. These brushes can go right in the grooves here. And when you use like materials, or like not material, when you use like detergent and white vinegar, it can typically take out most stains out of this. So it's not really hard to clean. The water will basically just go inside the actual 3D print and it'll kind of trickle down. You can see where the holes are. Yeah, you can see I've been wearing this. But you can see the holes where the water can just escape. It's a 360 airflow when you wear the shoe. But there's also a different type of combination that you can use to make it pop even more, at least the surface of the actual shoe. And what I did when I saw the cranberry stain on it is what I did is I combined the baking soda and Dawn, like the foam soap, not the liquid. Liquid might actually work too, but the foam soap. When I combined the two, mixed it up, and kind of went through the grooves of this. I don't know if you can see it, but the grooves in this actual, well, you probably see a video right here. You actually see me a video actually like kind of like showing you how I'm just cleaning it up. It's very effective and it lifts up a lot of stains even when they're dry and they settle down in there. So for instance, let's just say you had ragu sauce or whatever and somebody spilled that on you. Although your socks may not be protected because it's 360 airflow, but the stains on there won't remain. They actually can lift up with this polyurethane 3D print material. So that's one of the things that, again, I was very impressed with Adidas because I wanted to follow up and kind of wear it for a lot before I did another video to see realistically, is this easy to clean? Is it hard to maintain? It really isn't. And once you get that combination and get in the grooves, again, you'll see a video right here. Hey, sky's the limit. So comment below. Let me know what you think. Did you pick up the Adidas 3D print shoe just to try it out? This whole polyurethane, how stable it is, how comfortable it is. Because I was ready to walk in this thing for long durations of time. And when I say that the balance from heel to toe, even though like the arc of my foot was good, as long as you size this correctly, they tell you to go, what, like half size up from your normal size. This will fit so comfortably. It's like good for arc support. I couldn't tell you, like, I couldn't put this down. So it's one of those things, it's going to feel weird when you put it on at first, but once you get it in, you start walking around and get used to it, game over. But yeah, the combination, baking soda, believe it or not, and the foam Dawn dish soap. You'll see it right here. But I was just experimenting just to see, because look, before I go, you see the shoes here. I maintain and clean the majority of my shoes, right? I take care of my things. I work hard for it. So naturally, I'm always going to just experiment with certain things just to see what works, right? So for people that don't know, I did another video for the Air Jordan 4, like the heel, right? When you look at the heel, This ages over time, but stuff like tea tree oil can help maintain it and bring that color back. You'd be surprised the stuff that I experiment around here with, especially with shoes. I like to keep things clean and maintained. But your boy Miltnificent, man, I am out. Just want to let you know, yep, this is a follow-up to the whole ClimaCool experience, at least the 3D print shoe from Adidas. I'm waiting for them to do other different colors, is what I'm hearing that could be happening. They just want to experiment with the whole off-white, see how people like it. But Adidas, listen, you got to go. Keep going. I want to see more, please. Your boy Miltnificent, man, I am out. And you guys, stay blessed.